Hey guys, this is our number skills, page 41 and 42. All right, and so we just, Miss Andrew just did a special lesson for you about telling time on clocks. And so now we're going to get to practice that. Remember, we talked about how um, this shorthand right here is going to say this number's name, and then this, whenever the longhand's pointing to the 12, it's going to say o'clock. All right, so let's look right here. What number is the shorthand pointing to? A 1. Good. So it's going to be 1 o'clock. What number is this shorthand pointing to? 2. 2 o'clock. What number is this shorthand pointing to? The number 3. Good. So it's going to say 3 o'clock. What's this number pointing to? This shorthand pointing to? The number 4. So it's 4 o'clock. What's this shorthand pointing to? Number 5. So it's 5 o'clock. What number is this shorthand pointing to? 6 o'clock. Good. What number is this shorthand pointing to? 7. So it's 7 o'clock. Good. All right, so let's count. This is the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The shorthand's pointing to the 10, so it's 10 o'clock. Good. So let's write the number 10. 10 is a 1 and a 0. 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 Good. Let's flip over on the back. Ooh, this one says match the clocks that show the same time. So this one right here says 7 o'clock. Let's find the clock that's got the shorthand, the red hand that's pointing to the number 7. Ooh, there's the number 7 and it's pointing, so let's draw a line. All right, here is the number, or the clock, an analog clock that says 11 o'clock. So let's look for a clock that has the shorthand that's pointing to the number 11. I see it right there. Good. And then we already have this line drawn for us, 2 o'clock. So of course this one's for this one. Let's check it. There's a 5, and this is for 5 o'clock. Cool. All right. Number 2 says, use your crayons to draw the pennies you would need to buy this pencil. All right. So it says 6 cents. All right. So how many pennies will we need? When we count pennies, we count 1, 2, 3. We count by ones. So how many pennies are we going to need? Good. 6. So I'm just going to draw a circle with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pennies. And you can do a better job drawing your penny. You can draw the face if you want to, and then color them brown. Let's trace our tens. 1 and a 0. 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 All right, guys. Good job.